Stop by and take a look at the 2021 E-Class. Some predict the future. We prefer to build it. The Mercedes E-Class is an impressive ride, very smooth and punchy. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, alloy wheels, brake assist, remote keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, power moonroof, rear fog light, speed control, electronic stability control. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.